Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to study about action of metals and non-metals. So let us see how does metals and non-metals react with each other. Now before knowing about their reaction, we should know about their nature. So let us study about what is the nature of metal and a metal non-metal. Now if we talk about metals, metals are considered to be electropositive. Now, what do you mean by electropositive? Electropositive means the tendency to lose electrons. So, here metals easily lose electrons. If you see the structure of a metal, here this metal, it is having some electron in its outermost orbit. So, one of the electron is lost. As a result, that metal becomes a cation. So, metals easily lose electron and they become cation. Now, when they become cation, they are ready to combine with others. Now, if we talk about non-metals, non-metals are electronegative. Electronegative means tendency to gain electrons. If we see the structure of metal, here you can see the structure of a metal. So, here in this case you will see that an electron is this metal. This metal is easily accepting an electron. So, when these non-metals have a tendency to accept the electron, we say that they are electronegative. And when they accept the electron, they become anion. So, as a result, they can easily combine. Because they are anion, they can easily combine with other metals. So, metals combine with non-metals, where metals give electron and non-metals take electron. Now, let us see the chart. Okay, let us see this chart, how metals and non-metals combine with each other. So, here if we see this chart, okay, let us zoom this chart, and the chart seems to be blurred. Okay, this chart seems to be blurred. So, what we will do here is, let us flip the chart. Okay, here it is little bit blurred. So, let us flip the chart. Yes, here it is clear. So, in this chart you see that these are noble gases. Okay, the elements helium, neon and argon are noble gases. It means they are stable. Now, metals, example sodium, magnesium, aluminium, potassium and calcium, these are electropositive. Whereas non-metals like nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, phosphorus, sulfur, these are electronegative. So, if we see their configuration, outermost configuration, K, L, M and shell, by studying this configuration, you will know that how the metals combine with non-metal. For example, sodium. Sodium easily combines with oxygen to form sodium oxide. Magnesium really combines with oxygen and forms magnesium oxide. So, in this way, metals and non-metals combine. So, before combining, metals form cations and non-metals form anions. Did you understand? And you find this information useful? Then subscribe our channel, like our video and wait for some more interesting video. Till then, take care.